In this episode, you'll see how stoneware tiles used for terraces, balconies, driveways, and public spaces are made. Thanks to their high resistance to mechanical damage and increased resistance to weather conditions, 2 and 3 centimeter thick stoneware tiles are successfully used just for terraces, balconies, or patios, but also public spaces. In order to see how such tiles are manufactured, we'll visit Star Gres, which in 2014 became the first company in Poland to introduce this innovative product to the market. By combining domestic raw materials with a modern design and emphasis on environment protection, the company quickly reached the top rank in the sector. Join us in Końskie at Ceramiczna Street, which fittingly means ceramic. High-quality raw materials are a must. So let's first check out the warehouse where sand, clay, feldspar, and kaolins are stored. A loader pours the materials into a machine that weighs them out in accordance with the recipe. Out of these, the plant manufactures 30 million square meters of tiles annually. In the slurry preparation plant, the raw materials are mixed in ball mills and combined with water, which is being recovered and circulates in a closed loop. Slurry made is then transported to a sieve and later to a spray dryer. There, at a temperature of around 600 degrees Celsius, it reaches the appropriate moisture level. The granules created this way are transported to silos, each with a capacity of 70 tons. The material is stashed there for 24 hours. Next, having achieved moisture level of roughly 5%, the mixture is automatically transported to the hydraulic press. The granules are carried there on conveyor belts. A press applies a pressure of 360 to 450 kilograms per centimeter squared to shape the tiles. Nothing is thrown away. Scrap goes through a crusher and gets reused in the manufacturing process. Now, the tiles are moved to a dryer heated with hot air recovered from the kiln. They are dried at approximately 240 degrees Celsius. Dried tiles are transferred to the glazing line, where first, any excess material from the pressing process is removed using compressed air and brushes. The next steps are grounding, graphic printing, and applying glaze, a mixture of natural minerals and water. Quality control is conducted at each stage of the manufacturing process. Here we can see an industrial digital printer placing a pre-designed pattern on the tile. Typical patterns include shapes and colors found in nature. Afterwards, the print is sealed with a layer of protective glaze. The tiles are then fired in a kiln that is 170 meters long and divided into 3 sectors. Preheating zone, firing zone, where the temperature reaches its highest point, approximately 1200 degrees Celsius, and cooling zone. The kiln is gas-fired and operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, all in eco mode. Thanks to modern filtration technology, only a minimal amount of emission is released into the atmosphere, while the heat generated during the firing process is recovered to dry the tiles and preheat the production hall. Rectification involves the precise polishing of tile edges with grinding wheels to achieve the nominal, final size. The accuracy, 0.3 millimeters. Here, an automatic scanner sorts the tiles and checks their quality. The scanner takes photos with 4 cameras and compares them with a reference tile. Quality control is also conducted in the lab, where the tiles are tested for deformations, durability, as well as scratch and stain resistance. Meanwhile, the automatic sorting machine sorts the completed tiles by color and type. A forklift then moves the pallet and transfers them for packing. The plant also takes pride in its environmentally friendly solutions. The packaging is made from raw cardboard on site. These are then filled with tiles, which the Końskie plant sends to 60 countries worldwide.